Good morning, and I'm so glad to have you join me in this video. In this video, I want to quickly share with us how JPY is performing and how it can be a trap that the market is setting for retail traders ahead of next week. And I want to take a case study of a few JPY pairs this morning as we look at what is happening on JPY pairs. We are going to look at CADJPY. We're going to look at CADJPY. We're going to look at pound JPY, euro JPY, and CHF JPY. And we're going to see the similarity in all of these four pairs and how you need to be careful. Today is Friday. The day is still young. We feel like we want to take advantage of this move in the market, and we want to just make a move in the market and scoop in some profit for the weekend. But I need you to be very careful before you go ahead with that. And so I will be showing you some things in this video that you need to take cognizance of and be alert about. All right. I'm so glad you're joining me in this video. Like I said earlier, my name is Clement Oyinlola, and I've been trading Forex for over 3 years now. And I just want to keep helping you become better in your daily trading activities. And the purpose of this video is not to predict the market, is not to speculate the market, but to educate you on the things you should look out for and how you can improve your trading as a trader, and have at the back of your mind that I do not have control over the market, that everything I'm talking about is purely what I see from the chart, which is 50% accurate and 50% inaccurate, in the sense that it's a 50-50 chance. They are all speculating the market, and there are chances for the price action to move in the opposite direction of what we talk about. So let us go ahead and let us look at what I said I was going to show us in some of JPY pairs this morning. Now look at CADJPY on the 4-hour chart. You can see a bearish engulfing on the 4-hour chart on CADJPY. And if you look at, let me remove this so that you can see clearly now. You can see that bearish engulfing on JPY, on CADJPY. This is a bearish engulfing candle. This long black candle is a bearish engulfing candle. You can see that on CADJPY, on the 4-hour chart. Now, if you look at pound JPY 4-hour chart as well, you will see the same thing on pound JPY, exactly the same thing on pound JPY. If you look at euro JPY as well, this is not a bearish engulfing, but this is a strong bearish momentum. A strong bearish momentum. It is not engulfing because it did not close. It is not bigger than the bearish candle, but you can call this a tweezer to the top, which is signifying a reversal in the market. And then if you look at CHF which is the fourth one, also a bearish engulfing. So you can see how the four of them have shown us bearish engulfing on the 4-hour chart. Now, logically, the best thing, or the next thing for you to do, the next thing for you to do right now is for you to jump in right there and sell the market. Jump in and sell all the way. That's what we'll do normally. You sell all the way. You sell as low as this area, because that area is like a support. Yeah, that area is like a support there. You can see that there. So that's like a support. So you can jump in right there and sell, and just sell and scoop in your profit. That's a support there. You can sell to that level, or it can sell as low as this level. But let's still hold on to this level for now because I'm getting somewhere. Now, the advice for us is to just jump in and sell. More, that market is already, there's a green light, the coast is clear. Let's just sell and let's just move on and sell. While that may be accurate, while that may be correct, we need to be careful of something. Even if after I'm going to be selling this Friday, I would like to first of all understand the principle of retracement. That means I would like to sell from the 50% retracement of this candlestick. So if at all I'm going to be selling, I would like to sell from here. So I would like to see the market come back to this 50% retracement before I sell. 50% retracement before I sell, or at least this 30.2% retracement. So in between 30.2% retracement and 50% retracement, that's where I would like to sell. So in essence, I would like to have a I would like to have my position here, my take profit to be around here, and of course my stop loss is going to be above that. So you can see this is a two almost three. My risk reward is almost three. So you can see that my risk reward here is almost three. So which is still reasonable. So if at all I'm going to sell JPY this weekend, I would like to sell in between the 13.2% and 50% retracement of the market. The same thing applies for JPY, the same thing applies for Euro JPY, the same thing applies for CADJPY. Now, whatever you do on CADJPY, whatever I'm talking about on CADJPY right now applies for Euro JPY, applies for CADJPY right now because the market on JPY is looking very strong. So JPY is looking very strong. But remember, this is 1 a.m. and there are chances that by 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. market would likely trace back. And remember also that today is Friday, and that means that is where I'm going actually in this video to to call your attention to something you might be missing out. Today is Friday. That means that there are chances for the market to close, to no longer go further than this area. The market may not go lower than this area today, and everybody feels that, oh yeah, there is a bearish market, blah 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 blah, and you'll be surprised that the market may not go lower than this price. The same thing applies for other JPY peers across board. The market may not go lower than this price, and then before you know, the market will close, then you are stuck in. You are stuck on the last profit, or maybe 10 pips profit, or 3 pips profit, or 5 pips profit, something very small, something very insignificant. You wish you had not entered the market. The market is just closed out and you're stuck. You won't be able to, you can't adjust your stop loss, you can't do anything. By the time the market is opening again on Sunday night or Monday morning, you are shocked that the market might go back as high as this level. See, there's something they call stop hunting in the market. Stop hunting is when the big boys in the market come into the market and they clear your stop loss across board. Retail traders, they know now. These guys have a way of knowing where your stop loss is. So they know where the majority people have placed their stop loss, and they will wipe out all the stop loss. And that is why you are likely going to see that there is a market gap in the market. The market all of a sudden starts from here on Monday, and you are wondering what happened in the market. They tell you it is market gap, but in essence, it is a trap that the market, the big boys in the market have set for retail traders. And so you have to be careful. Now, what I'm saying is that this is Friday. There are a lot of things that can happen that you are not expecting to happen that might happen. Now, let me clear this as a disclaimer. The market can actually keep selling for the rest of today and come down as low as this level. The same thing applies for other JPY pairs, pound JPY, euro JPY, CHF JPY. The market can continue to sell. The market can keep selling for the rest of today, and you'll be in massive profit. But you need to keep at the back of your mind that this is Friday. Are you ready to take the chances? If you are ready to take the chances, you can go ahead, you're good to go. But if you are not ready to take the chances, I would advise you eat my advice. Study what the market is doing. The market is always there. If you miss today's move, you can always find another spot to enter next week, and you will still make money next week. So it's better for you to stay calm than to be stuck in the market and you can't close it. Now, the market might show you that it's selling, and all of a sudden there is a swipe up, and then it just keeps going up, and then it retests, close you out in loss. And the amazing thing is that once they clear your stop loss, that is when you see a strong, massive move down, and you just be angry at the market, just take a revenge on the market, and a lot of things, a lot of emotions start rushing up, and then before you know it, you're losing more money than you planned. So be careful. Today's Friday. The market is looking bearish, but remember today's Friday. Anything can happen. The same thing for CADJPY. The same thing for pound JPY. The same thing for euro JPY. You can see all of them are moving in the same direction. All of them are playing out the same way. So don't be moved by this movement in the market. Anything can happen. Now, like I said, I'm not saying that the market is not going to sell. I'm saying you have to be careful. Before you know it, the market can come as low as this place and continue to sell, or the market can go back up. Now, let us do some quick analysis and see how far the market is likely going to move in the market. Now, this is on CADJPY. If you're interested in CADJPY, that is what I'm looking at right now. I would strongly advise just watch. Can you see this channel? I would strongly advise if you want to sell CHF let the market close below this channel. Let the market close below this channel. If the market closes below this channel, you are good to go on CHF. If the market closes below that channel, you are good to go on CHF. So that's for CHF. I would advise that you wait for the market to close below that channel before you make a decision. And don't forget, today is Friday. I'm emphasizing today's Friday because I don't want you to get stuck in the market. And then Monday comes and you are sad about the whole thing. Now this is CADJPY. Now I would rather pick CADJPY because of one thing. Now, number one, this is top one, this is top two. As of yesterday, we were seeing a double top on CADJPY, all for the market to swipe up, close us out in stop loss, and all of a sudden pulls down. Now, this is a stop on. This is an example of a stop on. What they simply did here was that they closed out people in losses. Now, let me show you something else again on CADJPY. Look at this. I think I will need to show you on the 1 hour chart so you can see it clearly. Look at this. All right, let me go down to 1 hour chart so you can see it clearly. Now, on the 1 hour chart, you can see this channel on CADJPY. Now, this channel is showing that the market is bullish, and then a lot of people bought from here. I know people that bought from here and they made profit up to this extent. That's about 90 pips in profit. 90 pips in profit. Now, looking at this from another angle, this is top one, this is top two. This was a double top as at yesterday, all for the market to come down and swipe up above and close us out in stop loss. What they simply did here was that they stop hunted people. They stop a stop on strategy that I want you to be careful of ahead of next week. Now, if you are also interested in selling JPY right now, I would advise that you also wait for the market to close below this trend line support. I would advise you wait for the market to close below this trend line support before you make your final decision. Don't forget, today is Friday. Now, pound JPY as well, the same thing on pound JPY. If I were to trade pound JPY now, this is a resistance. That's a resistance there. You can see that. That's a resistance. And then this is another resistance around here. This is a resistance zone actually. That's a resistance zone actually. So if I want to trade pound JPY, I would rather wait for the market to close below this resistance that has become a support here. So I would rather like to see the market to close below that before I make my final decision. And Euro JPY as well, the same thing on Euro JPY. It even seems as though Euro JPY is moving faster than the other pairs. Yeah, so for Euro JPY as well, you can see that you can also see this here. You can also see this here. So you can still also wait for the market to close below that trend support. So now that's my advice on JPY pairs, the strength of JPY for this weekend. You can see this is also forming a double top. Is also forming a double top. So most likely we are going to see a strong move of JPY strength next week. But before now, it will not make sense to blow up your money before the market now plays out well in your favor. So just stay calm, preserve your capital. It's weekend already. Relax your mind, have fun. When Monday comes, we set goals for the week, and then we know how we are going to make money for the week. So my advice is that let this Friday slide. Just keep watching the market, study the market, see how the market is going, see how the market is faring, and also try as much as you can to stay calm. Don't let the movement, the price action affect your emotions. Don't get too excited. Don't get too angry at the market. The market is always there. The market does not have emotion, does not care how you feel. So you have to prove to the market that you are stronger. You have to trade like a robot. That's how you're going to make money from the market. So at this stage, I want to end this video. But before I end this video, I want you to know that there is a boot camp coming up ahead, and the boot camp. This is the course content for the bootcamp. You are going to access it's a 2 week bootcamp spread across 7 days. 2 weeks spread across 7 days. So you're going to have all these. These are the things we're going to look at. Background check on forex, bigger than the stocks. Don't trade forex. I repeat, don't trade forex. This outline will sound funny, but there are things you need to really learn about. Should I trade crypto or binary? Cryptocurrency is almost everywhere right now. Everybody is trading crypto. Everybody is talking about cryptocurrency. Should you trade crypto? And a lot of people are trading binary, volatilities indices, synthetic indices, and all of that. So should you trade crypto or binary? And I would explain to you how your knowledge in forex can also play out in trading cryptocurrency and binary. And then day 2 on Wednesday, we're going to look at A for Apple or forex trading, market fundamentals, and the big boys. The big boys are the people that clear your stop loss. So I bet you want to join this video, this bootcamp, and learn how to do that. So technical or fundamental. On day 3 Friday, we're going to look at the theory of candlestick, the theory of support and resistance, and the theory of trend lines. So we're going to look at critical analysis on candlestick and how they are called the price actions. We're going to look at support and resistance and trend lines and how we can make money from all of this. Then day 4 we start to look at the mathematics of forex trading. That's market geometry. We're going to look at market structure. We're going to look at power of confluence. Confluence is very powerful. If you understand confluence, I'm going to be showing you in further videos how confluence can be applied in the market. Then day 5, which is also a Tuesday, we're going to look at how you can enter and exit trades, signals and indicators, what are robot and expert advisors. And day 6, which is Wednesday, shoot your shot. Come on, guys, shoot your shot, and nevertheless, keep. Yeah, it sounds romantic, but join me on the bootcamp, and we're going to talk about the romance of forex trading. Then we're going to look at show me a pro, and I will show you a learner as well. Then on day 7, I'm going to show you how I earn weekly without trading. Let me give you a sneak peek into that. How I earn weekly without trading. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into that. How I earn weekly without trading. Now, if you get in for the boot camp, you are going to access my course bundle A to Z of forex trading. My course bundle, over 20 videos are in this course bundle. You can see this forex basics has 3 courses under it. Introduction to technical analysis has 3 courses on 3 lessons under it. Setting up your trading account has 4 lessons under it. Market structure 2 lessons. Market geometry 3 lessons. Why do you need a mentor 2 lessons. Mind market and money 3 lessons, entering and exiting trade 4 lessons, risk and money management, indicators, and how I earn weekly as well. And all the videos from the GoPro lessons are going to be, all the lessons from the GoPro, all the videos from the GoPro bootcamp are going to be added as bonus for the A to Z of forex trading. So if you get the course bundle, the A to Z of course bundle, you are going to have full access to the bootcamp. The same thing if you get in for the bootcamp, you're going to have access to all the courses under A to Z of forex trading. And these are not monthly access. This is a lifetime access. This means that once you get in, you get in forever. And I'm also going to be uploading new videos on both my YouTube channel and in the course bundle. Any video I add to the course bundle will not be in my YouTube channel because it is premium. And any video on my YouTube channel is free for everybody to access and watch, like this video, for example. So my advice is for you to get in and take your chances, get in and take advantage of this, because you're going to keep accessing my videos forever and ever, and new videos are going to be added into it. So I want to show you how much I have made from forex market without trading. My broker is Forex, so I use Forex as my broker. So I'm going to show you how much I have made from forex without trading. I'm going to my payout. You can see my payout. This is my next week Wednesday. That's September 2. I'll be expecting $52 at least, because today is still Friday. So I still have Monday, Tuesday to make more money from the commission. And so far you can see how much I have made. There was a time I made $67. There was a week I made $64. Another week $53. A week $120. Another week $339. And then it keeps going on and on like that. Let me show you all the entries. So you can see that it keeps going on and not like that, and not like that. There was a week I made $400 without trading, without trading. There was a week I made $715 without trading, without trading. So you can say I make a lot of money every week without trading. I'm going to explain how I do that as well. I want to show you the total amount I have made so far in 1 year, in the space of 1 year without trading in the forex market. And I want you to pay attention because this bootcamp is going to be powerful. It can change your life forever. And I don't want you to take it for granted. I want you to get in and take advantage of the bootcamp. Get in and take advantage of the bootcamp. Get in and take advantage of the bootcamp. Okay, the network seems to be off. All right, so you can. Oh, I will show you that later. Maybe in another video of mine, I will show you that later. So, guys, thank you for joining me in this video. Thank you for joining me in this video. Be careful the way you trade. Don't forget that capital preservation is your primary goal as a trader. And my signal channel is also on. My signal channel is on. This week we made over 150 pips from the forex market, and it is just one of those weeks when the market is slow. And yeah, we made 150 pips from the forex market in this week on our signal channel. And you can from next week the signal channel is going to be premium only. It is going to be paid only. So it's going to be paid only. I'm going to release the price on my Telegram channel, so you can do well to join my Telegram channel at the end of this video. Just if you're not on my Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel. I'm going to announce the price there, and I'm going to announce how you can make your payment and how you can join the premium group for my signals. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I hope to see you again next time.